Hi everyone, today you're doing Module 1 of Level E of VMath, Lesson 9. So turn to page 29 and follow along. Today is going to be a Gizmos lesson, so you'll have to click on that on your VMath Live, and it's called Rounding Whole Numbers, Number Line. So here's a little reminder, label each point on the number line. So if we look at the number line here, I'm going to make it a little bigger so we can see that. We're going to count. So here's 100, here's 105. So it's going up by 1. So 100, 101, 102. So we're going to write 102 right there. Then we have 105, so 106, 107, 108. Write 108. 110, 111. Okay, we'll keep going. 112, 113, 114 in that box. 115, 116, 117. Okay, so when you are in your Gizmos, your screen is going to look like this. It tells you to click on the arrows. Make that a little bigger so you can see. It'll look bigger on your screen. Click on the arrows to round to the nearest 100. Okay, you're going to click the right arrow once to show 100 to 200 on the number line. So when you're on here, make sure this says rounding to the nearest hundreds. Then you're going to see 100 down here and 200 down here. If you don't, you might need to flip those between those arrows. So if you click that way, it'll go to the next 100. If you click this way, it'll go back. Then, for example, you'll drag the red dot to 147 on the number line, and then you'll click the circle for hill. So here's flat, here's hill. Then when it goes, this will create a little hill, and you will see where that rounds. Okay, so I want you to do this. So starting here, you'll see this on your computer, and you'll notice that 147, the 4, it rounds it back to the nearest 100, which would be 100. So it's going to round it to 100. Then what you're going to do, and you always follow the directions for Gizmo, then you're going to click on flat, so you can do that on your computer. Drag the green dot to 178. Click the circle for hill, and then you'll see 178 rounded to the nearest 100. There will be a hill, so the 178 is going to fall closer to 200. So it will round to 200. That 7 will round it up to the 100. The next 100 is 200. Then click on the circle for flat again. Do the same thing for 150. You're going to click on the circle for hill. You round 150 to the nearest 100, and then you click the nudge midpoints. 150 is right in the middle, so it's going to nudge it to 200. I want you to practice that on your Gizmos. Okay, so right now you are going to complete that page on your own. Complete page 30 using Gizmos on your VMath Live. Good luck.